Hello everyone. A very good afternoon to all my dears. How are you? All are fine. Good. I hope you all are fine and doing your studies, your online studies and your online session. Okay. So now be prepared for your exam. So are you ready for revision? Revision in which subject? Which subject is going on? EVS. So, are you ready for revision? Yes. Okay. So now EVS period is going on now. We'll start revision in EVS. Okay. In your last video, we have done match the same flower. Okay. And what we have done? Match the same flower and parts of body. Okay. Parts of body in the form of fill in the blanks. Okay. Two things we have done in your last video. Now we will take next two question. Question number 3 is circle the winter clothes. Okay, circle the winter clothes. So now write down the question. Full stop. So this is your blazer. Okay. Blazer will wear in winter season. Okay. Blazer swimsuit. Swimsuit wear in winter? No. Okay. Swimsuit wear in summer season. Now next. This is muffler. Muffler wearing in winter season? Yes. Cotton t-shirt. Okay. T-shirts wearing in summer season. Then socks. Socks wearing in winter season. Then okay, this is hat. Hat wearing in summer season. So this is not winter season cloth. This is hand gloves. Hand gloves wearing in winter season. And at last, okay, and this is winter season cap. So now we'll find winter season clothes and circle the winter season clothes. Okay, circle the winter season clothes. Full stop. So now this is blazer. Blazer wearing in winter season. Yes. So you circle the big image. On number 2, this is swimsuit. Swimsuit not wearing in winter season, so don't circle. Now muffler. Muffler wearing in winter season. Okay, muffler wearing in winter season. So you circle the muffler. Then t-shirt, cotton t-shirt wearing in summer season. Then socks. Socks wearing in winter season. Yes. So you circle the socks. Then hat. Hat wearing in summer season. Okay. So don't circle. Then hand gloves. Hand gloves wearing in winter season. Yes. So you circle the image of hand gloves. And then winter cap. Winter cap also wearing in winter season. Okay. So you circle the winter cap. All the winter clothes you circle. Okay. All the winter clothes you circle. Okay, so question number 3 done. Now move to the next question is question number 4 is write the first letter of the festival. Okay, write first letter of the festival. Okay, you take screenshot of this question. This is for revision for your exam. So be prepared for this. After question number 3, we'll take question number 4 is write first letter of the given festival. Question 4 is write first letter of the given festival. We have done festivals name like all the festivals. We will take all the festival with their picture. So now we will take picture and you write the first letter of the picture. Okay. So on number 1. Okay, Diya. Okay. Then on number 2. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. You make the picture, all the 5 picture. So, in your exam, full spellings are given but first letter is missing. So, you write first letter of the festival. Okay, like the letter is missing and write I, W, A, L, I. Now which festival is this? Diya? Diwali. So you find out what is the first letter of Diwali? Diwali. D for Diwali. So you write here capital D. Okay. In this place you write capital D. So you write only first letter. All the letters are given but first letter is missing. So you find first letter and then write first letter. Okay, all the 5 festivals. So you understand what we will do? Okay, now next. Now only first letter is missing. And write H, R, I, S, T, M, A, S. So, you think about which festival is this? This is Christmas tree. This is Christmas tree. So, this is the Christmas festival. Now, Christmas starts from C. C for Christmas. So, you write here capital C. Write down capital C. C for Christmas. After this, now this sign, which festival is denoted? Eid. Now, first letter is missing and ID is given. So, Eid, E for Eid. So, write here capital E. E-I-D, Eid. Then, Pichkari. Now, Pichkari denotes which festival? Holi. So now also first letter is missing and this is given. Now Holi. H for holy. So you write here capital H. Okay. Then the sign is Gurupar. The sign is Gurupar. So first letter is missing. P-A-R-V-A. So Gurupar. Gurupar start from capital G. So you make capital G. Okay, so you remember all the first letter of the festivals. Okay, P-A-R-V-A. Okay. G is missing, so you write G, U-R-U-P-A-R-V-A. Gurupar. Okay, so you have done now question number 4. Okay, now we have done all the revision. Okay, we have done all the revision like fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks done. Parts of body. Yes. Same flower. Matching. Done. Okay. 1, 2. Then 3, 4. Winter clothes. Circle the winter clothes. Done. And question number 4, festivals. Right, first letter of the festival is also done. So all the 4 questions have done for revision, for your exam, for your test. So be prepared for all the 4 questions. Okay. Fill in the blanks. Read to the parts of body. Okay. So we prepare all parts of body and remember this. Then same flower matching. So you know all the flowers. Okay, you know all the flowers, their name and match the same flower. On number 3, winter clothes. So you remember all the winter clothes and you circle the winter clothes. Then festivals. Festivals, you see the picture and write the first letter. D for Diwali, C for Christmas, E for Eid, H for Holi and G for Gurupar. So all the questions for your exam. Okay. This is the revision for your exam. So you will take screenshot. This is your revision part, syllabus for your test. So note down fast all the things. Circle the winter clothes and write first letter. Okay, so this is your pattern for your exam, for your syllabus. Please note down all the things. Okay, so now your period is over. Now, best of luck for your preparation in EVS subject, in math subject also. So be prepared for exam and now bye and have a nice day and best of luck for your test. Bye.